How incredible is it? We sent a rocket to an asteroid, collected sample, and brought it back to Earth. It's unbelievable what we're doing out in space. And if we can just stop that salt water from making it any further up the river, that'd be even better. Got some much needed rainfall. As we've mentioned, this does nothing for our river levels and really doesn't impact the drought at all. But certainly any and all rain is always welcome, and got some decent downpour. Still some fairly heavy rainfall over Kenner and the airport out toward the lakefront. Now the rainfall estimates thus far, 2.5 to 3 inches of rain in this corridor from Kenner toward River Ridge and Harahan. So some much needed big soaking rains, likely have some street flooding there. Had some minor reports of street flooding on the West Bank. We've had just about 1.5 inches. That was where we had the earlier flash flood warning. And then other parts of the city got near 1 inch or just over 1 inch, about 2 inches estimated at the river bend. Elsewhere, not as much accumulation in this afternoon. Had a heavier downpour that was over the the Hammond area earlier. This band of rainfall does continue down toward Houma, but it does look like that is starting to wind down. Now the official rainfall totals 1.4 inches of rainfall at Kenner, and that's been in a short period of time. Picked up a 1/2 inch at Bogalusa and in Hammond, most of it from this morning, about 0.6 of an inch. A lot of this rainfall will be ending over the course of the next couple of hours, but the model's keeping even some late evening and early nighttime showers going. As we head into the day tomorrow, we will still have some of that instability, but a lot of the models not going with a great deal of rain coverage, so looks to be about 30% during the afternoon hours tomorrow. 74 degrees and currently raining at Kenner with a dew point also at 74. It's 100% humidity within those rain showers, but at least with the temperatures, or with the rainfall, temperatures have come way down. Currently at 74 degrees, and humidity has been definitely higher. Didn't get into any drier air. Might see a surge of drier air make its way in by this coming weekend. Today's high was 91 degrees, and then when our climate data came out just at about 5 o'clock, there had been no rainfall at Kenner, 4 o'clock. So most of the rainfall that we've seen really has been in the last hour or so. So those are the big soaking rains we were talking about. And what is helping this out is the upper pattern. This upper troughing is creating enough instability, or at least bringing south some instability, to keep our rain chances around. As long as this upper troughing pattern continues, we will see at least a chance for rainfall. No day really looks to be a complete washout, although I think at this point we were praying for a washout. But it does look like our rain chances start to subside as we head toward Friday, more so this weekend as an upper ridging pattern takes hold. So as we get started into October, our weather drying out, and unfortunately no cool air with that, maybe a little bit of a surge in some drier air as we get into some less humid air, about a 20% chance for an isolated shower on Saturday, but Sunday and Monday with that upper ridging building in, I don't think we're going to see much rainfall at all. So with the added instability in the atmosphere and certainly plenty of moisture, the scattered showers and thunderstorms around the region during the day today. As I said, by tomorrow, most models are not going with a whole lot of rain coverage, but at least something as we head into the day tomorrow. And then likely see those rain chances pick up again by Wednesday and Thursday. Out in the tropics, we do have Philippe. Thankfully, it looks like that's going to stay as a system in the open Atlantic waters. Had been highlighting one little area in the southern Gulf of Mexico for low chance of developing. The last advisory from the Hurricane Center says that chance is 0. This little feature is kind of moving to the west. Not going to see anything from it. After Philippe, we have Invest 91. Looks like it'll probably be right on the heels of Philippe over the coming days. Not looking like much of anything organized, more of a low pressure boundary that is sitting out over the central Atlantic waters. But the good news is this does look like it'll follow right behind Philippe in the future, and at the moment does not look like it would be a threat to land at all. We're inching closer and closer to kind of the end of hurricane season, and certainly for when we can breathe that sigh of relief, although wouldn't be bad to get a little surge of moisture our way with some much needed rain. 30% chance during the day tomorrow. We'll see those chances picking up a little bit more Wednesday and Thursday. Less humid, but lots of sunshine as we head into this coming weekend.